If you have an Edifier TWS NB2 Pro looking for ways how to take it into pairing mode, we will show you how to do that manually or from the app, even if you have just one bud in the box. To take it into pairing mode, make sure the buds are inside the case. Locate the multifunction button at the case. Now just press and hold it for 3 seconds. You will see a green-white alternate LED start flashing rapidly. That means it's on pairing mode. Just pair it with a device of your choice, that's it. You can take it into pairing mode the same way just in case you have lost one bud and there is just one bud inside the case. Now you can also take your buds into pairing mode from the Edifier Connect app. But please remember the app is only available on App Store, not on Play Store. If you're using the app, sometimes as a troubleshoot, you can take it into pairing mode by opening the app first. Then tap on the swivel button. Go to Bluetooth settings, tap on repair, and from this pop-up just tap on confirm. Your buds will immediately go into pairing mode again. You can now repair it with the same or other device depending on the region that you entered pairing mode. And that's all you need to know about the pairing mode on your Edifier TWS NB2 Pro. Thanks for watching.